and thank you for being here. You are about to learn an easy way of making an omelette at home with no oil, only steam. I have used spinach instead of courgette just because I like it more. Also, I'm going to show you how to steam some tender stem broccoli in the same time, and how can you make a green smoothie in seconds using the Thermomix. You can use any blender you have at home for this recipe and cook it in a non-stick pan. My choice for today is the Thermomix, not only because it cooks everything or blends, it's mainly for the low calorie cooking with steaming. All those recipes are in the description below. On Courgette library you have over 70,000 recipes all over the world. If you have any question, feel free to ask me anything. I'm here to help. Do you think is this a healthy breakfast for you? Let me know in a comment below. If you want to become part of our community, feel free to subscribe and share it with someone you might want to help. Enjoy!